Joakim and his brother, the younger one. The reason why I'm on screen right now is because I'm in New York. For some reason, I cannot be back for his wedding at the time. So I made this video to say congratulations. Wrote down a lot of stories about me and Eddie when we were young. We arguing, fighting all the time, but we also playing basketball, video games, and we had a lot of fun. However, I had limited time, and the wedding needs to carry on. I have not much to say about you, but it's been a long time you and Eddie stick together. You must be really good supporter of Eddie. Anyway, I'm really happy that you guys are on the same path, and I have to say sorry again that I cannot be there with everyone, especially my family. So last but not least, let's raise our glass to Eddie, his beautiful new wife, and the incredible journey they are about to embark on. Cheers!